I'm angry. Basically, I'm angry. I just want to have a chat about why I've stopped building motorised bikes, stopped building hybrids, I'm not riding e-scooters, and why I'm going and getting my license and grown-up bicycle, grown-up motorbike. The reason is because it is just getting scary out there to get caught riding an e-bike. Now, I've got a clip I want to show you that was in the news in around August last year. This guy's just minding his own business riding down the street, and he gets tackled off his bike by overzealous cops. Have a look at this.
A CBD blitz with some big hits. This rider tackled by police as he rode down George Street. He was cuffed, accused of avoiding officers patrolling for illegal e-bikes.
I hope you saw him getting me thrown off the bike.
It's just not worth the risk riding around on a motorised bike or even an e-scooter. Have a look at this. You can pause and have a read on the article that'll be on this side here. This happened locally, next town over. Poor bloke's just riding his e-scooter. Cops pull him over. Now, current laws state that the bikes, e-bikes, e-scooters can't be over 200 watts, which is less than a power drill. So what they say is, you're riding an illegal motorbike. And they've impounded his scooter. Photo of on the back of a tow truck. It is ridiculous. And they'll charge you with riding without a license, riding an unregistered motorbike, riding an uninsured motorbike. This is all just an e-scooter, mind you. Right, so have a look. You can pause the video and have a read of it. And here's another article that popped up. 3 motorised bikes were impounded. It was just a couple of kids just riding around the town. For me, it's not worth the risk of getting copped with all those fines. I don't want to get tackled off my bike. I was going to say straight and narrow, but that's probably less accurate. Yeah, we're going to do things the legal way because I don't want to get myself into trouble. I already have a, a checkered history. So anything that I can do to stay above board, I'm gonna. Which is why over the last year, I've barely uploaded anything. I haven't really ridden. I haven't done anything because I've been saving my pocket money to be able to do what I'm doing now. That's basically it. I just don't want to get in trouble for stupid, ridiculous, outdated laws that need to be changed. What? No, I take that back. All right. I'm going to link a video down in the description. It was a news article from about 10 or 11 years ago now, when the motorised bike kits were not only legal, but you could buy them from the shop. And this was back when they were talking about changing the laws. And even in that article, it wasn't the two-strokes that they had an issue with. It was the so-called backyard jobs where people are sticking dirt bike motors on the bicycles. How times have changed. We live in a nanostate. We literally cannot do anything. And for a government that says, go green, reduce your carbon footprint, they want me driving around in my turbocharged hatchback rather than using a couple of dollars of petrol on a two-stroke bike. You tell me which one's using more fuel. And that's the ridiculous thing about it. Now, I know stateside, you can register these things. There's no reason why we can't have that. Let us have our two-stroke motorised bikes. Let us have moped registration. How hard is it? until that day comes around, until we get moped registration and we can register motorised bikes, you're just not going to see them on the channel again. Aside from the fact they all got stolen, it's all gone to the tip now. Everything that was left over is it's gone to the junkyard. As I say, for me, I'm angry. Basically, I'm angry that I have to lose out on the enjoyment of riding these bikes because legislation was changed. Okay? Motorised bikes aren't dangerous. People are dangerous. It's the attitudes of the dickheads riding them around on the footpaths that are why regular people can't enjoy the hobby. So this channel is transitioning to a motorcycle channel. I'll be doing motor vlogs and sharing my journey as a learner motorbike rider. So over the coming months, as I progress through doing my learner's course, riding around with the loser plates on the bike for a couple more months, and yeah, we'll be going on rides on my new little bike that, as of yet, hasn't been so much as delivered. But as soon as I get that in my driveway, you'll start seeing content on it. And hopefully, you know, all my loyal subscribers are going to stick around, and hopefully I can get a few more on board. Channel's not monetized. I'm only a tiny channel. I'm not doing this because I hope to make money out of it one day. As it's always been, this is just my journey, and I'm sharing it with you, and I thank you all for coming along for the rides. It means a lot. Yeah, next video is probably going to be delivery of my new bike. Fingers crossed. So yeah, if you're stuck around for the video, cheers. I'm not going to tell you what buttons to click down below. You'll know what to do. You do it if you want. What do I care? I'm at 600 subscribers now, which is a great milestone for me, but I'm never going to be one of those channels that's harassing you to click down below, because fuck, if I want to subscribe to a channel, I'll click that button. I don't need to be told to. I expect the same from my audience. We'll see you in the next one.